Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. A free high five reward if someone can find my voice for me would be greatly appreciated. Don't mind the squeaks or anything like that. I'll try and do my best to get through this, but it happens. Today we're talking about two variable data, and what we're going to be talking about today, the vocab that you need to know shows up right here. Okay, two variable data measures two different traits on the same graph, looking for a relationship between one another. We will be plotting this through scatter plots, and we'll show you what that looks like, as well as what a coordinate plane is and the ordered pair. So as usual, make sure you're getting all of these vocab words written down so that you can understand what I'm talking about when we move on. Okay, and I'm going to show you first right away is what a coordinate plane looks like. Okay, this is a coordinate plane. Our x-axis is the axis that goes left to right, also known as horizontal, and our y-axis is the axis that goes up and down. Okay, and we have values, positive values going here and up, negative values going back and down. Okay, now with a coordinate plane, they have a thing that we call quadrants. Okay, quadrants means four. This is broken into four different quadrants. Up here where it's positive, positive, that is quadrant 1, and we label it with Roman numerals. And then we go counterclockwise. This becomes quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and then quadrant 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the quadrants that the axes break the graph into. Okay, they may ask you to label the quadrant in which something falls into. We know 1's up here and it goes backwards around that way. Okay, now what we have, and the only example we're really going to be talking about today, is plotting points onto this, onto the coordinate plane here. Okay, we're giving this first point here is 4, -3. If you remember from the vocabulary words, the x value shows up first, the y value shows up second. So the x value tells us how many we go left to right. If it's positive, we go +4. So I start at 0, 0. Always start at 0, 0. We go over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go down 3 because this 3 here is negative. So we're at 4, we go down 3. We make our point right there, and we label it with the letter that is corresponding with the point. So the next point is point B, that's -3, 6. -3 comes first, so that's telling us to go left -3. We go up 6. We have this point right here, which we label as point B. C gives us -2, -1, down back 2, down 1. So that's C. D is 1, -4. So we're going right 1 and down 4. So that gives us point D there. All right, and the point E is 0, 0, which is right there. So we point E there. Okay, now the key thing, point E is located at 0, 0. That is also known as the origin. So when we start this, we always start at the origin, which we know now is the ordered pair 0, 0. Okay, x value first, y value second. Here's your try on your own problem. Take the following points that are located in the table and plot them on the coordinate plane and label which quadrant or axis that they fall on. Make sure if you have any other questions that you let me know, and you have a good day.